Well, working on the 1966 intake manifold still. Today, don't want to talk about it because I just enjoy working on it. But as I was working on it and getting prepared to slap her on, I'm looking for some washers because I've got my torque wrenches out there, and there is no washers that will fit underneath them bolts unless you custom make them, or you do find them on the internet. There's some custom intake manifold bolt sets, and the washers are the same size as the bolt heads, so that the washers don't cup and interfere with any torquing or that cupping that would happen if you had a normal size washer for a 3/8-inch bolt. So what do? You make your own. And that's what I did here. These are all rotated around, but you just take a little bit smaller than a 3/8-inch washer, and you drill them out so it's exactly 3/8 inch in size, and you bolt it together like I've done here, and you just start filing. And you could probably file them just as round as the head of the bolt, but what I did was make them 6-sided. These are just a little smaller than this size, so I will just pay attention and try to put these a little bit smaller size on the ones that need a little more critical space. But yeah, that's what I did there. I think that's a good idea, and that will help in getting that 66 torque specs to spec. And these will rust out, but you know, it's a 1966 and it's supposed to be rusty. It'll